a mini lollipop.
First, you need a hook and a few rubber bands. First, take a random rubber band and wrap it around the hook 3 times. Then you take another one around the hook and wrap it 3 times. Do this about 4 or 6 times. And this is my 4th one. Now take the 2 white rubber bands and do it and pull it like so. Now take your highest one above all, pull it over and on the white one. Then pull the white rubber band on the hook, the other end of the white rubber band. Then take the bottom of the white rubber band and pull it over the other end of the white rubber band and start pulling. And take it off. And there, you got made a lollipop.